Ready to ditch the 9 to 5 and build your own online empire? But Amazon FBA feels like a foreign language. No sweat today. We're diving headfirst into Amazon FBA, breaking down everything you need to know as a complete beginner in just 90 seconds. First, what exactly is Amazon FBA? It stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. Basically, instead of storing and shipping products yourself, you send your inventory to Amazon's warehouses. When a customer buys your product on Amazon, Amazon handles the picking, packing, shipping, and even customer service. Talk about convenient. Next, let's talk about getting started. You'll need to create an Amazon Seller Central account. This is your hub for managing everything, from listing products to tracking sales. Once you're in, the key is to find the right product to sell. Research is crucial. Look for products with high demand, low competition, and good profit margins. Tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 can be your best friends here, helping you analyze data and identify profitable niches. But what kind of products can you sell? The possibilities are endless. Everything from electronics and clothing to home goods and even handmade crafts. So, to recap, FBA lets Amazon handle the logistics, freeing you up to focus on growing your business. Remember, thorough research, excellent customer service, and consistent effort are key to FBA success. Now go out there, start building your own Amazon empire. And don't forget to subscribe for more e-commerce tips and tricks.